Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete drawings on TradingView chart, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete the drawings in the chart on the TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface where it says the watch list over here at the bottom left of corner of the screen. Go to your charts by tapping on the charts button at the bottom left corner just beside the watch list button over here. And on the chart section, let's let it and on the chart section you can see the three dotted icon over here where I'm currently tapping, where it says the analysis up. Tap on that three dotted icon, and when you land on this interface, guys, you can see the pen icon over here. Tap on the pen icon where it says currently fixed volume range profile, where I'm tapping. Tap on that icon, and this kind of interface will appear where you can be on the favorite section. And if you are otherwhere than the tool section, you turn back to the tool section. There are a lot of sections over here, guys. You can see a lot of tools and annotations, geometric shapes. You just want to go to the tool section over here where it says the remove all option over here, and it says remove all of the drawings over here. But in order to, if you tap on that button, all of the drawings and indicators will be deleted. So we just want to delete or remove the drawings, so we'll be tapping on the three dotted icon over here, and you can see the remove 22 drawings. Tap on it, and the drawings you did on your TradingView chart will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to delete the drawings on your TradingView chart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.